Two women in their natural habitat. You're both cooking. I'm cooking. And she's just my sous chef.
No, I'm the annoying critic in the background that is like, are you done yet?
Alright, I'm getting my KitchenAid. Alright, let's get her out. What are we cooking? Today we're cooking chicken broccoli Alfredo. Everything from scratch. Sauce. I'm butchering my own chicken. I laid this egg. Came from my butthole. It's gonna be really fun. Don't. Alright, 2.5 cups. Finely ground flour. Lydia's cooking chicken broccoli Alfredo for her wife, Angelina, period. DC trip must be a thing. We held them in NO.
It's like anywhere that's like driving distance to DC
Yeah.
is gonna be a school big field trip.
Yeah. Steaks have tits.
Steak tits? I like that.
Added everything too fast. Do I add water? Can I add water? Probably. No.
I mean, what's wrong with the oil? Will
Like
not
it look.
taste? How would you describe that? What is this? Is this supposed to be super stretchy?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna Google.
I don't know if you can save that. What do you mean? This is, I literally follow the directions. That looks like Play-Doh.
Good job.
No, I can save this. Stop. I don't care. Here's the thing that I'm good at. Saving things that... Just kidding. This is too wet. Yeah. No, this is not it.
Don't take the piss out of me for it, though.
Oh, who's taking the piss?
You are.
I don't think you can actually cook.
It's starting to come together better. Oh yeah, the water helps. Yeah, we just needed water. I'm gonna be so fucking for real. We just needed water. That's literally it. We saved it. We did it. We did it. Oh wow. Oh my god. Wow. Okay. This came out way better. Yeah. What's like a low-cal Alfredo sauce? I have heavy cream chicken broth. Garlic, obviously, a bunch of seasoning. Anyways, time to chop garlic. Mommy's hungry.
Exactly.
Exactly. Turkey tacos, nothing. Cut the baby into 4 pieces. I'm gonna get the KitchenAid. And we're gonna fuck this bitch up. All right. I've never used an attachment on my KitchenAid ever.
It's right here. Is that bad?
No, it's good.
I'm excited. Fuck shit.
Oh my god, wait, hold on. Hold on. Oh. Okay. Yes! Yes! Wait, why are some sticking? Wait, what's wrong with some of them? No, get out. Yes!
Yeah!
Get out. Isn't that so satisfying? When you cut these nudes, fold them like they do in fancy places. Yeah. I'm gonna start on the sauce. You're taking too long to feed her? Yeah, I know. All right.
It's just that I didn't realize how late it was, girl.
But if I boil the pasta now, the sauce isn't even be fucking done. And then what? I haven't even cooked the chicken yet. I don't blame Angie, it's late as fuck. Yeah! Girl, sauce takes like 3 minutes. I like to let it simmer though. Like let me let it simmer. Let me let it simmer.
God, isn't she so cute when she says the word simmer?
Alright, I'm just gonna do a fuck ton of butter. Melt that hoe. This is Alfredo. Okay. This was our backup, by the way. This was our fucking backup. That took fucking 2 hours to make pasta, by the way. Fuck me, bro. We should have been eating them, by the way.
Do you know something?
Yes, chef.
You're a great fucking talker, but you're a shit cook.
Alright, I'm turning this bitch on low. Now I'm just slowly start adding the heavy cream. Heavy cream! I don't know if you guys can even fucking see. Yeah.
Let the Parmigiano.
And then I'm gonna season the fuck out of this hoe. Hold on. I have chicken stock, I have heavy cream, butter. I'm gonna put a little bit of olive oil, and then I'm gonna season the hell out of it, and then cheese. I'm adding that whole thing, by the way. Alright, I'm adding a fuck ton of pepper, a fuck ton of salt.
Yeah.
Garlic powder.
Hello, Raven.
I'm gonna do garlic powder. I'm gonna do red pepper too because I like a little spicy. A little bit of red pepper. Garlic powder, onion powder. I'm seasoning my food, guys. Garlic powder, onion powder, Italian seasoning. Yes. Yes. Then you got no other breast too? Exactly. The fuck? Do you like cubes in your chicken Alfredo? Yeah, I don't ever wash chicken. I never grew up learning like to wash my chicken like that. Like it's just not what I just do what my mom taught me to do, honestly. All right, I'm gonna season the chicken when it's in the pan. Trust. I'm gonna salt, pepper, garlic powder. I'm gonna garlic, salt, pepper, Italian seasoning, all that good shit, butter. That's
I
fine.
hope it's not oil.
That's fine.
Hashtag Lyndi Latina.
Guys, stop!
Wait, look at the boats in the background.
Okay, we're talking
Coochie Fritos.
We love Coochie Fritos.
Hashtag Lyndi Gay. Hashtag Lyndi Latina.
Lyndi Gay's fine. Alright, salt. Guys, I'm
This is
proving
gonna
to
fuck.
you that I'm...
Fair play to Aaron Hunt, man. Went from chilling with Simple Simon and Luke Bennett to kicking ball with Wayne.
Stop!
Round his gaff.
No!
Genuinely sound Jesus.
Stop!
For real.
Alright, garlic
Dot
powder.
dot dot. Huh? Ban. Keck W.
Garlic powder. Onion
Woo!
powder.
Oh. Not the O. Check out Starforge. System PCs here. https://starforge.com/Lyndi.
Live taste test.
No, too hot. Careful. Careful, hon.
No.
You ate that shit up, didn't you?
Bruh.
Is the pasta done?
It's about to be. Nudes reveal. Nudes reveal. Posting my nudes on the internet. There we go. There's your thumbnail, Jonesy. Okay. Have the parm, please. Thanks, Mama.
No, thank you.
No, thank you. Ready? Hot!
It was hot.
It's hot. It looks yum, but
so good. This
Wait, the pasta's good?
Yes, like I'm
Are you sure it's not too thick?
I like that like the.
You like that it's thick? Sorry that the sauce is... It's actually pissing me off that the sauce didn't get thick. Guys, wait! Is my kitten fed?
No, I'm so good.
Okay, period. Wait, Angie, what the fuck? She's not pretty, but she tastes so good.
Dude, it's the garlic, like I'm telling you. And whatever you put in this.
No, I'm not even kidding. Oh my god, the chicken is so good.
I need more broth, honestly.
Okay. Alright, Chop. I'm gonna take one more bite for you guys, and then I'm gonna eat and light a candle for me and my kitten. And enjoy some girl time, because, wait, this is my last day I have with Angie.
Yeah.
Take a picture? I will. Alright, Chop. I love you. I appreciate you.
No, this fucks.
No.
This fucks.
Guys. Guys! Alright, I love you. Auntie Angie, say bye.
Bye.
I love you, chat. Thank you so much for hanging out. Thank you so much for all the subs. Thank you so much for watching. Love the vibes. Hope you don't die. Okay. I hope you all have an amazing rest of your night.